Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the lower door switch in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws securing the top grill. Pull the grill down from the top to detach. Next, unthread the screw securing the control board cover to the frame. Lift the cover up to detach. Disconnect the thermistor wire connector to move the cover out of the way. Use a T10 Torx bit to unthread the screw securing the switch holder. Insert a flathead screwdriver to fully release the latch to detach the holder. Use needle nose pliers to remove the interlock spring. Carefully detach the old switch. Note the orientation of the wires, then disconnect them. Install the new door switch by first connecting the wires to the appropriate terminals. Now carefully snap the switch into the holder and position the interlock spring. Realign the holder assembly on the frame, then thread the screw to secure. Flip the cam plate forward. Reconnect the thermistor wire connector to the control board, then insert the control board cover tabs into the slots in the frame. Thread the screw to secure. Before you reinstall the top grill, make sure the 2 support clips are in place. Now align the grill tabs with the slots in the frame and snap the grill into position. Rethread the 3 screws. Having a magnetized screwdriver will make it easier to rethread the screw on the right. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.